More RDA. What happened?
Over here, by the tree.
So let.
Here. Here. I am here. Over here, by the tree. Here.
Now you see what they kept you from. Your true home.
You saved me. Ah! You can't keep fighting. I will help you this time.
You will need arrows. Wood in the underbrush is pliable. You will find it. Simply focus your senses.
My senses?
They taught you to be human, but you are Na'vi. See the forest as I do. You see, this is your home. It will speak to you, if you let it. Let your senses guide you.
Okay, I got it.
Now you have all you need to craft arrows as I do. Sharp enough to pierce human metal. You are ready.
We should get out of here. Can you move?
Dapofed. I need a pod. From a Dapofed plant.
I'll find one. Don't worry.
Near the shore. They grow by water.
Soldiers!
Bigger than a tree.
Just give it a rest.
Sotlek, I can't find what you need.
A drop of it, bud. The plant grows near water. Look through the lake. Focus on what you need.
Sotlek, I got the Dapafit. On my way back. There were more soldiers. No! He won't let them take him alive.
Come in for pickup. Mercer's gonna love this. Gun time, people. Keep your distance. Down, but not out. Chopper's coming in for pickup. We'll take the blue for questioning. Let's see what it knows.
Those rookies need some shooting practice. Get better.
Target stuff.
Arrows! No eyes on target!
It's gotta be around here somewhere.
Keep it in sight!
On the trail.
Flush them out! They're using arrows! No eyes on target! Kill them already!
this!
Pull back. I will be okay. You learn fast.
This is how we heal. You have no song cord.
We had my mother's, but they stole it.
We must change that.
Wait! What should I do now?
Do? You must discover your own way, Sarentu. And until then, join the Resistance. But hear me. Those humans have the same enemy, but we're not the same. No, no, no. They are too close. Go. I'll meet you at base camp by the waterfall.
The waterfall. Resistance base must be above it. Sotle, I can't find the resistance base. I'm not used to being out here.
Andor is still new to you. Perhaps I should not have left you alone. Look to the cliff face. Lift vines will pull you to the top. You will see the base from up there. Across shallow water, nestled in a grove of trees.
I'm still pinching myself I made it out here. Told me I'd never amount to anything in school. I don't think that design's gonna hold up in the field. But that's just me.
Biomimetic initiative. Exactly, like the dorsal sail of the Sound Blast Colossus. Its aperture membrane letting air in and out.
It is soundproof, Briar.
Sorry, filter got stuck. Jin thinks he's got it figured out now. Oh my gosh, another one. I am so glad you're here since, there's so few of you left. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Welcome to Resistance HQ. Right, sorry. Oh, well, Nati Kamie. What?
There you are. Over here. Okay. That went well. They like you. Everything's fine. Just breathe it out.
People waste so much. I wish I had my truck here. Not to drive, but just to work on it.
I have forgotten what it is to live without rage.
We need to be the best of humanity while we're here.
Oh, sweet gear.
The children are finding their own ways.
Sometimes, just banging it with a wrench Come to gear up? Remember, point away from the user.
They must be stumped out.
Dressed for the job.
Some of those fruits smell so great, though. Just want to tear them off the tree and sink your teeth into them.
I sometimes forget he's part of a much larger machine that's put...
Yeah, and
Jake
not
is
turning
here
them
with
into
48 mining
tasteless,
camps and
mushy
supply
goop.
drops.
Or jerky.
We can
Not
do
too
the
wet,
same
not
over
too
here.
dry.
Recon shows mining camps are largely concentrated in sectors 3 and 4, but it looks to me that they're starting to spread out. Not sure how they're targeting particular spots. Priya thinks the balloons we've seen might be fitted with scanners. I need to look into that. We'll hit the supply drops in small teams. I'll try to get in and out before the RDA arrive for pickup. We're going back. Funny, Tap. Used to be all I thought about. But now it's just a dream we had. Before John lost his way. How did it all go so wrong? We were riding high. John's brilliant vision and my star was rising in the academic field. Together we were unstoppable. We were gonna make a real difference. We could help the not-be-kind and humanity together. We all had to make sacrifices. Some they made the ultimate sacrifice. But the science, the progress. And we did what we thought was right to make TAP a reality. And now, TAP is just a tomb for our dead dreams. Or maybe not. Just maybe.
The RDA is smart. I'm so glad to see you. We heard the shooting and Alma said to run for it. Are you okay?
Shaken. Sotlet got me out. Where are the others?
Nella and Nor made it too. But they decided to spend time outside. I don't think they should. Isn't it dangerous?
Don't worry, you're all safe now. That's what matters.
What happened back there? Tap was in ruins.
Mercer ordered it destroyed when they evacuated. I watched the walls collapse in. On you. I thought you were dead. Then Priya heard the RDA on the radio talking about a signal at Tap. I was afraid to hope.
How long were we in there?
It feels like you left yesterday.
It, should feel like that for you, but it's been nearly 16 years.
What? 16?
Alma.
That can't be right.
You need to understand. Seeing you all again today, you have no idea how much that means to me. I failed you. I won't make that mistake again, I promise. Look, take some time. Raj will get you cleaned up. Talon knows his way around already. He can show you. This can be your home now. You'll see.
"16 years. It doesn't feel real."
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to think about that. Almost right, though. We can be at home here. I feel it. And it's cool here, right? So much cool tech. He's over there.
That's Raj?
He's cool. Kinda. I think everyone's just getting used to us being around.
Neckline's all crooked.
Yep. She didn't say a word. But I can still feel that
You must be Raj.
It's Rajinder.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alma said.
I know Alma. Alma calls me Raj. I don't know you.
I'm new.
Relax, new. I knew you were coming. Sleeping all this time. Oh, you must be well rested. I have fresh clothes ready for all of you. Alma didn't tell me you were missing a sense of humor as well. What'll it be today? May as well look good up. There. It's a miracle I clean up so well with the rubbish I have to
Just a
work
quick
with.
message about the... Oh, it's Priya, by the way. But you knew that. Anyway, just a message about that part I was needing for the radio. Just wondered if any of the scouting...
You need a new look. Keep yourself in one piece.
Finding your way around, I hope.
Do people back on Earth know what the RDA are up to here? Do they care?
Can I give you anything for these?
You get a freebie this time. Special circumstances considering. Usually, we take what we can get around here. If you find something good, let me know.
Navi clothes. Do they feel weird?
I think I like them.
Well, I want to keep my hat. And some other bits. And try out some of the tech. You have to meet this Alex guy. He's like an inventor.
You settled in fast.
Well, it's weird being out of Tap. But everyone here's been super nice.
Talon! Can't keep away, I see. And you brought another Navi.
Alex builds stuff, mechanisms, and technology for all kinds of communications and discovery.
And a little chaos, if I have the tuning right. See this? This is SID, my systems interrogation device. Good name, right? Bit of a mouthful, perhaps. Hajir thought it was a little much, but what does he know? I designed it with Navi in mind, a little troublemaker for RDA technology. Cobbled it together with old RDA parts.
And tap parts.
Yes, well, we could probably scratch that off or paint over it, you know, if you like. I've been trying to get Alma to test it.
Oh, we can test it. Can we? We can test it?
That could be fun.
I can make one for each of you. Go ahead. Get a feel for it.
It's a miracle I clean up so well with the rubbish I have to work with.
Sometimes, just banging it with the...
I'm actually hoping it can find the faulty wiring in our air filtration. See the wires running under the floors here? You should be able to track those to the maintenance panels. Give it a go? Parts of the forest are almost completely dead lately. So sad.
Nothing but scraps here. Gotta get all the good stuff myself.
Hey, Priya. Got your message about the radio parts. We were salvaging yesterday, but didn't find anything for you. Got some good stuff for the armory, though. Sorry, that's boring. So yeah, yesterday, Alex was talking. I wasn't really listening because, you know, Alex. But then he mentioned this meteor shower. So I thought maybe we could watch it. Together. I mean, only if you want to. It's supposed to be really pretty. And that made me think of you. If you're into it, I'll meet you at the landing pad at 0 Hunter.
Found some armor to fit. Looks good.
We need to be the best of humanity while we're here. Dressed for the job.
gear looks good on you.
We could use some more spare parts.
The RDA are pestilence. They must be stamped out.
Look at the mold on that. Fascinating. My data shows a fault upstairs as well. Probably that damn wiring. Mind taking a quick look? The tool should lock on to the frequency. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I miss lemons. Is it still working?
Ah, I wish I had my truck here. Not to drive, but just to work on it.
Fail to prepare. Here you go. Have a look. Remember, point away from the user.
Must check Dr. Augustine's research on this.
A tidy medbay is ready.
Hey, Alex, I think I found the fault.
Just a little hack, and the system will reset. Do you mind?
I think I got it.
Aha! You see, it is a useful tool, isn't it? I told Alma this. This is our future. I must say, I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with it. Nice to have one's work come to something. But I've ordered you about enough. Alma's gathering everyone for a briefing. I believe your friends are still exploring outside.
Maybe if we... Nah, that'll never work.
I fear nothing will ever go back to the way it was. do not understand their attempts at you.
I couldn't imagine going back to Earth.
I can. It's not a pretty scene. Instead of all this green, just gray and brown as far as the eye can see.
I was always more into convenience, I guess. Turns out, conscience trumps convenience.
That can always be useful if you know what to do. People wait so much.
Feels like I'm holding this place together with duct tape and prayers.